Hey there. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the Clearstory Sage 100 integration. Now, this integration does work for all Sage 100 users, and really one of the biggest goals with this integration was to eliminate double data entry for our users. I feel like we've done that in two different ways. So the first way, I'm going to start here in my projects list. What you're looking at is a list of all projects that have been created in Sage 100. So here in Clearstory, we can simply accept that project, and what that does is that allows me to bypass the majority of the project setup in Clearstory. Now I'd like to shift focus to our COR log. Let's go into the COR log. Perfect. So what we're looking at here is Clearstory's cloud-based change order log. This is shareable with the customer. And with this integration, any change order that you created through Clearstory's automated workflow, that can instantly be pushed into Sage 100. So I can push an item directly from Clearstory into Sage 100. So I'm going to dive into the details of this. So I've adjusted my column headers here to include whether or not the COR has been pushed from Clearstory into Sage. And something to note about the integration is you can push either a single item or you can actually push multiple CORs at a time into Sage 100. So I'm going to start with my top item here that's unassigned. And when I click this, you'll now see the plus Sage 100 button appear here. All right. So what I'm looking at now is a list of all of the change orders available in Sage that are associated with my project. So I can push directly into an existing Sage 100 change order, or you can create a new CO without leaving Clearstory. So let's do that. So I'm going to click this Create Change Order button. Use today's date, and we'll do Approved. And just like that, I've now created a Sage 100 change order without leaving Clearstory. So let's go ahead and complete the rest of this. All right, you'll notice I've got a detailed line item breakdown. So I've got my labor, material, tax. I don't have equipment on this ticket or this tag. If so, on this change order for set. If so, that would have showed up as a line item. Let's go ahead and push these over. All right, the multiplier does go in increments of 5. I'm just going to choose 20 and I'll keep these the same. Now, when I click push to Sage 100, this data now is moving over into Sage 100. You can also see here, it shows us that it's syncing here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to jump into Sage 100. We can go ahead and take a look at how that item pulled over. All right, item number 45. So here we go. So just how you'd expect everything to visually show up here is available now in Sage 100. So let's hop back into Clearstory. All right. So the takeaway here, with this integration, we're eliminating double data entry in a variety of different ways. First being project import, and the second being COR information being pushed from Clearstory into Sage. All right, so let's talk about setting up the integration. Enabling the integration is very easy and straightforward. So we utilize Rivet for the connection, and after we've submitted your general information to them, the rest of the integration setup can be quickly finished in Clearstory. So with that, I'd like to say thank you for your time here today. I know this was a high-level overview, and if you're interested in learning more, please go ahead and head over to our website. That's clearstory.build, and from there, you can schedule time to meet with one of our team members.